Hi, today I want to show you how to manage your Google passwords on your REDBEAT E3. To manage it, open Google Chrome application. In it, tap on three dots on the right corner and there choose settings option. Now we tap on Google Password Manager and there we have password which our device remember, maybe to our WhatsApp account, or we can add passwords, but we click there to manage it. Now we must enter our look screen to get connected to that, and in it we can copy our username when we have it and password using first icon which you see, or after we press on your eyes icon in your password selection you can see your smartphone show you password which remember. We can also edit all by tap on edit and write something in a username or name, but remember, when you change something, press save. The last thing which we can do with it is delete from our password manager by delete and confirm by delete again. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.